Welcome to American Asian Kitchen. Today we will show you how to grill double mesquite ribeye steaks. The ribeye steaks have been cleaned and dried. We use the McCormick Mesquite seasoning to rub on each side of the medium-sized ribeye steak. We use about 1.5 tablespoons of mesquite seasoning per side of the ribeye. All right, we are ready to grill. The grill's been set up and we're ready to smoke some ribeyes. Set the ribeyes on the cooking rack away from the coals. Add mesquite smoked chips to the coals and let it smoke for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, place the ribeyes over the hot coals and grill each side of the ribeye for about 2.5 minutes to achieve a medium rareness. Grill it for around 5 minutes if you like it well done. Don't they look real good? Thank you all for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for weekly videos. Please comment below to let us know if you want to see more American Asian cooking recipes.